Dude recreates his living room in Half-Life, blasts it to hell.
Yeah.
Creates his own living room and then destroys it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this is like a 1-to-1 scale room with his perspective in both real life and VR.
Wow.
So you can kind of see.
Nice. It's
God.
funny how in the video game it seems so special, but on the left the room just seems like anybody's room. The video game, it's like, what's gonna happen next?
So in the VR space,
Wow.
like he has weapons and there's monsters in his room that he can kind of fight off. And there's physics in there too. So he threw a grenade on his desk and it blew up and everything flew around.
Oh, he's just shooting some dude outside right now.
Flamethrower too.
Yeah, there's some enemies in his backyard, I guess.
Man, this game is so much fun.
Oh,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah. This is the reason why I was like, oh man, metaverse might be a thing.
Go ahead.
'Cause this was so much fun to play with.
When were you doing this?
Maybe about a year ago.
Oh, was Will forcing you?
No. Will didn't force me.
Not at all.
You want Will to have
No.
forced me.
I assumed that, like, did he have anything to do with it?
No, I talked to him about it, and
Yeah,
him
yeah,
and me were geeking out about this game.
Yeah.
Man, it's so cool. You can like point at something, throw it, and then like legitimately catch it.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
And
So who brought it up? You or Will?
I did.
You brought it up, and then he sunk into it.
Because my buddy Alex has like a VR set in his basement.
Alex.
His
Yes.
name is also
His
Alex.
name's Alex. Yeah. And he's got like pads everywhere. It's like mapped out. Anyway, so I was playing it at his house, and I had to come tell Will about it the next day. I was like, dude,
It's fun.
And how did Will respond?
well, he was excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
He
It's like,
gave me a
finally,
list
someone
of
I could talk
Yeah.
Half-Life with.
Yeah, he gave me a list of other games to try out.
I can
too.
just imagine the amount of energy in his response when you brought that up.
Okay, what did you imagine?
Oh no, I mean maximum.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was pretty maximum.
It's the max he has access to. That's what he was distributing in that moment.
I kept screaming.
You're just like, hey, Will, ever heard of this game, Half-Life? Alex? He jumps over the desk, tackles you. Like, that's aggressive.
Yeah.
So this guy blows up his own room.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
Cool. Seemed like a lot of work.
Modeling everything? Yeah, I would assume so.
Well, what would you say? A week?
Yeah, maybe. If he's really good.
A week? Yeah.
Yeah.
3D artist Graham Ross. Shout out, man.
Uh-huh.
That's tough stuff.